Hi everyone. So GATE 2025 examination are over and you guys are preparing for PSUs now. So in this video we are going to talk about ONGC, BEL, BHEL and BARC because these are the recruitments that we have received till now. Okay, so they are going to arrange their own examination. So we will talk about the paper pattern as well, and along with that we are going to talk about the preparation strategy. Okay, so let's get started with BEL. So listen to my words very carefully. With the different PSUs I will tell some different things. So there are total 125 questions, 100 technical questions will be there and 20 questions, 20, not 20, it would be 25. Sorry for that. And 25 questions will be there from aptitude and general knowledge. In general knowledge, they can ask general science as well, they can ask anything. So 25 questions are from the other part and 100 questions will be technical. Maximum marks will be 125, minimum marks will be minus 125 by 4. Basically, for each correct you get 1 and for each incorrect you get minus 1 by 4. Negative marking is there. 2 hours of duration will be there and syllabus is GATE syllabus. Along with that there is computer networks for EC student, and for EC and electrical both there is microprocessor and microcontroller. Okay, so this is specifically for BEL. I am telling that in EC they focus a lot on computer networks, also on microprocessor. Okay, in EC they focus a lot on computer networks and microprocessor. There would be good number of questions from these two subjects. So if you are someone from EC and specifically targeting for BEL, okay, specifically only targeting for BEL, then computer networks and microprocessor becomes an important subject. Only for BEL that I am talking about. Preparation strategy I will talk later on, but just now in the syllabus I am telling that GATE syllabus that is important only. Now computer networks and microprocessor becomes important if you are only preparing for BEL, and from the GATE syllabus, signals and communication they also become important from the GATE syllabus. They are more inclined towards this computer network, they are more inclined towards communication part. So signals, communication, computer networks, these subject becomes very important, especially for EC student. For electrical student as well, the computer networks is not important, but microprocessor is important for electrical student as well. So there has been, I have seen the paper which I received from some of my students. So there has been a lot of questions from computer networks, along with that from microprocessor as well. So these two subjects become important. Well and good. Okay, and from GATE syllabus, signals and communication. So this is only for BEL I am talking about, only for BEL, not for all other branches. So this is about BEL. Preparation strategy I will tell you that how you can prepare all those things I will tell you. Coming to ONGC, so there will be 85 questions. You will be getting 2 hours. 40 technical question will be there. 25 aptitude question will be there. 10 general knowledge question will be there, and 10 questions from English. For each correct marks, 1 mark you will be getting. For wrong marks, you will be getting 0. Basically, there is no negative marking. Okay, 2 hours is there. Syllabus is GATE syllabus only. So in this particular ONGC examination, they are not focusing much on that computer network class or anything like that. Syllabus is mostly inclined towards GATE syllabus only for ONGC. This was only specifically for BEL. Okay. Now coming to BHEL. So in BHEL, 240 questions will be there. 2 hours will be there. In 1 minute, you need to solve 2 problems. 120 tech, 50 aptitude, 20 GK and 50 English. Very straightforward questions are coming in BHEL. Same goes for ONGC as well. Same goes for BEL as well. Very straightforward questions will come. So if you are someone who has prepared for GATE, then that preparation would be more than enough. Just you need to solve some problems. Just you need to solve some test series. So that preparation strategy I will tell later on. Maximum marks for each correct question you are getting 1, and for each wrong question you are getting minus 1 by 4. Okay, duration is 2 hours. Now let's talk about the preparation strategy. So preparation strategy I am breaking down into 2 parts. So some guys would be who are done with the complete GATE syllabus, and some guys would be who are not done with the complete GATE syllabus. Now so you are saying, sir, where is BARC? So BARC will come in the end. For BARC there is complete different strategy. So BARC will come in the end. As of now, we have talked about BEL, we have talked about ONGC, and we have talked about BHEL. So for them, I am dividing my preparation into 2 parts: done with the full GATE syllabus, not done with the full GATE syllabus. So first, let's talk about those guys who are done with the full GATE syllabus. So this should be your first priority, that I would revise my notes. Forget about ESC prelims PYQ, forget about GATE PYQs, forget about any test series. First thing is you need to revise the notes, because directly from the notes, straight from the notes, question would be coming as it is. Like statement wise question would be coming. Like these kind of questions, like what is the time constant of simple RC circuit? R into C. That's it. What is the time like what is the 3 dB bandwidth of a low pass filter, 1 by RC. These kind of questions are coming. Those much straightforward, which you can solve within 5 seconds. You just need to read it and solve it. So that's why notes become very, very, very important. Second priority will be to solve ESC prelims for PYQ. This is the second general priority. Okay. Now drop this one. You can take any test series which is more specifically inclined towards PSU. Look, there will be a lot of organization who will be giving test series which is specifically inclined towards PSU. Not GATE test series I am talking about. Test series which is specifically inclined towards PSU. A lot of coaching institutes are there who would be giving you the test series. We are not launching any test series regarding PSUs. Okay. In our test series, we make the problems which are of very good level, which are for GATE examination or for even for masters as well. So these kind of questions we frame, but for PSUs as of now, in this year there is no test series on PrepFusion. So you can refer to other coaching institute. You can take any test series that is specifically regarding PSUs only. Okay. And there will be some free tests, so you can first attempt the free test and then you can see if the level of question paper is matching towards the PSU examination or not. If you feel like that they are asking a lot of high level problems, then you can avoid taking that particular test series. Otherwise you can take it. Okay. Now GATE PYQs, this should be your last priority. GATE PYQ should be your last priority. You can keep GATE PYQs as your last priority. Again, I would say third priority I would keep as microprocessor, and fourth priority I would keep as test series, because microprocessor is asked in BEL as well, and in a good number of questions would come in BARC as well for microprocessor. Okay, good number of questions in from microprocessor would come in BARC as well, and certainly in BEL there would be a lot of questions from computer networks and microprocessor. So if you are someone who is more inclined towards BEL, that you specifically want to go for BEL only, then I would say revise your notes, first priority. Second priority, you keep this. Okay, second priority you keep this. If you are from EC, first priority is revise the notes. Second priority, I will cover computer networks and microprocessor. And now how you would cover it? Will you cover it comprehensively? Like you will go to computer science playlist, because these are the subjects from CS, right? So you will go to computer science playlist and you will cover it comprehensively? No, you need to cover them through crash courses. Okay, how you will cover? Crash courses. So you need to cover it through the crash courses. Within 5 to 6 days you should be done with that. Just statement wise question would be coming. I am telling you, very basic questions would be coming. So just on top level you need to study it. So from crash courses you can cover these particular subjects, if you are only specifically going for BEL. Okay, so that can be your second priority. First priority is certainly revise your notes. Second priority could be towards computer networks and microprocessor and microcontroller, and for electrical only you need to cover microprocessor. Okay, so yeah, that's it about the preparation strategy. In BHEL and in ONGC they are not focusing much towards microprocessor or microcontroller or computer networks. Only in BEL they focus a lot. Along with that, in BARC as well, they focus a lot on microprocessor and microcontroller part. Okay. Now, preparation strategy for those who are not done with the complete GATE syllabus. So first is you revise your notes. Along with that, the second priority would be you need to complete the remaining GATE subject with the help of crash courses. Not from the comprehensive course, with the help of crash courses you need to cover, because in PSU examination, the questions are asked on very surface level. Okay, straightforward questions they would be asking, so you don't need to go depth into the concept. You can cover it from the surface level. Now sir, what about the interview? So for BARC interview is tough. So for that BARC interview, I have already told that is the responsibility on me. I will make you prepared for BARC interview, because after the written there would be a gap of 2 months for the interview. Within that 2 months I will get you prepared. No need to worry about that. Our first task is to clear the written test. Once the written test is cleared, after that the job will be on us. Okay, so and certainly you need to study as well. So first clear the written test. So for written test you can refer to the crash courses for those particular subjects which are remaining. Then you need to solve ESC prelims PYQ. So first priority is this one, second priority is this one for you, third priority is this, solving ESC prelims PYQ. Fourth priority is this, that you get any test series. So that I have already told, like there would be some organization who would be giving test series specifically for PSU examination, not for GATE examination. For GATE examination we have our own test series, but there in that particular test series the level of questions are pretty high, and those kind of questions will not be asked in your PSU examination. So for PSU examination, for easier level problems, you can take any test series. But before that, these tasks should be completed. If you feel like that I can complete this task, then only go here. And in the end, you will solve gate PYQs in the end. That should be your final priority. Okay. And if time permits, for BEL, I am repeating the same thing. If you just want to go for BEL, then you can keep computer networks as your decent priority. Like at 2 or 3, you can keep. Once you feel like that, sir, I am done with signal system, I am done with communication system, then next you can pick computer networks as well. Okay. Because in the paper, I have seen there has been a lot of questions from computer networks. So you can pick computer network as well, and time permits, then microprocessor and microcontroller as well. If you are from EC, and for electrical, only microprocessor is there. Okay, so from these subjects, there are a lot of questions. That's why I specifically mentioned these subjects here. But this is only for BEL. Again and again, I am repeating, not for all the PSUs, only for BEL. Well and good. Okay. Now for BARC, so BARC, I have already made a video. You just need to go to YouTube and type the same thing, a perfect roadmap to prepare for BARC PrepFusion. So complete information is there, how the examination is conducted, what all things you need to prepare, how you need to prepare. Complete information is there. Just one information about this particular video. Here I am mostly talking about electrical student because I uploaded it after electrical examination. Okay. So here mostly I am talking about electrical student, but the preparation strategy remains the same for EC student as well. In EC, just one more subject would be there. Like gate syllabus will be certainly be there in EC. Along with that, in the syllabus, there would be one more subject, that is microprocessor. Okay. So microprocessor will also be there. Along with that, there is EMFT, which is coming for electrical student. EMFT for electrical student. Electrostats and magnetostats. So that will also be there. So complete preparation strategy I have told in this particular video only. So for BARC, you can watch this video for preparation strategy. So that's it about the video. So I have told like what all preparation strategy could be there and what all questions, what kind of problems they can expect. Now someone would be saying that, sir, here are 50 questions of English, sir, and 50 of aptitude is included in gate syllabus only. Now, sir, 50 questions on English. So should I prepare for English? Do you really think it is worth it? For one particular examination, do you really think that preparing English is worth it? If you feel like that, sir, I need to prepare for English, then you can prepare. But I don't think like there wouldn't be a certain syllabus that from this much syllabus only English question would be coming. So if I had been the student, then I would be dropping English for now. Okay. Whatever that comes in the examination with the prior knowledge that I am having, that I have studied in my school or secondary classes, whatever that I have studied, with that particular knowledge only I would be going in the examination and solving the problems of English. So I would have dropped the English for sure. If you feel like that, sir, I don't even know what is present tense, past tense, future tense, then I cannot even recommend that from where you would study, right? For English, what I would recommend. Like the questions will not be based on verbal. It would be like direct speech, indirect speech, active voice, passive voice. These kind of questions would be there. I guess paragraph can also be there. And jumbled words would be there given, like jumbled paragraph would be given. You need to make the paragraph again. These kind of questions would be there. So I don't think you should be preparing for English, but if you are preparing, if you feel like that I need to prepare, then you can prepare. Otherwise, from my side, the suggestion would be that you can drop the English. Now coming to the general science, general knowledge. So how much you can prepare? Like they will be asking questions, if they mostly they ask from general science, right? The science that we have studied in our 6th, 7th, 8th classes, from there they ask some questions. Along with that, they ask some questions from GK as well. Like what all are the current affairs are there? So from these things they ask. Now if you are someone who read newspaper, then he would be able to solve it. But how much you can study? How much you will be studying? Like here it is infinity, right? There is no certain syllabus. For this one there is certain syllabus. FT you will do it. But GK, GS, this is infinity. So how much you will study? So for this as well, I don't recommend doing anything extra. Just go with the clear mindset that I have done my gate syllabus. With the help of gate syllabus, I will be doing whatever that I know. Aptitude I can solve. In the English as well, I will try to get as much marks as I can. That's it. Okay. And through RTI, if I get any information about regarding the cutoffs of these examination, then certainly I will bring a video. For BARC, I have already brought the video. Okay. For BARC cutoff, I have already brought the video. You just need to go and type BARC cutoff PrepFusion. Okay. BARC cutoff PrepFusion. So you will see the cutoff there, because through RTI someone filed the RTI, and through RTI we got the information about BARC cutoff. So that cutoff has been uploaded on our YouTube channel. If I get any information regarding these cutoff as well, like BHEL, BEL or ONGC, then certainly I will make a video. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very much.